Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor, and in this video you are going to be learning essential Yoruba phrases for beginner part 2 or episode 2, whatever. So the first episode has been dropped already. If you are yet to watch it, kindly check the last video and ensure you watch it because it's gonna help you. It's going to be helpful. Okay, so let's dive straight into the learning. But before we do, if you are here to subscribe, if you are here to be a member of this channel, of this account, ensure you subscribe to this channel. And if you are watching on what's it called, TikTok, ensure you follow me. So let's go straight into the video. Okay, so let's start with the greetings. So if you want to say good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàárọ̀, that's the polite way. Then the casual way, say káàárọ̀, káàárọ̀, káàárọ̀. If you want to say good afternoon, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàsán. The casual way you say káàsán, káàsán. If you want to say good evening, and that is from the hours of 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., you say ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, kúrọ̀lẹ́. That's the casual way, kúrọ̀lẹ́. And so if you want to say good evening from the hours of 7 p.m. to 11 p.m., the late evening, you say ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́, because it's already late, it's already night time, so àti wà ní alẹ́, so you say ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́. Then the casual way you say káalẹ́, káalẹ́, káalẹ́. If you want to say good night, you say ó dàárọ̀, ó dàárọ̀, ó dàárọ̀. So if you want to say it in a respectful way, if you want to say it in a polite way, you just say ó dàárọ̀ mà, ó dàárọ̀ sà, ó dàárọ̀ mà, ó dàárọ̀ sà. And so if you want to say goodbye, you say ó dàbọ̀, ó dàbọ̀, ó dàbọ̀, ó dàbọ̀ mà, ó dàbọ̀ sà, ó dàbọ̀ sà, ó dàbọ̀ mà. If someone says báwo ni, what's báwo ni? That's how are you, right? How are you? Báwo ni, how are you? If you want to reply, you say I'm fine, dáadáa ni, dáadáa ni. Or you say mo wà dáadáa, mo wà dáadáa. Or you say àlàáfíà ni, àlàáfíà ni, àlàáfíà ni, dáadáa ni, mo wà dáadáa, àlàáfíà ni, mo wà pa. You can also say mo wà pa, ṣé wà pa. They can say báwo ni ṣé wà, mo wà pa, mo wà dáadáa. And so if you want to say and you, ìwọ náà ńkọ́, ìwọ náà ńkọ́, that's the casual way. Ẹ̀yin náà ńkọ́, ẹ̀yin náà ńkọ́, ṣẹ́yin náà wà pa, ṣé wà dáadáa, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ̀yin náà wà. Okay, so if you want to say you're welcome to someone, you know, when you say thank you, we've learned thank you in the last video. Thank you is eshe or oshe, the casual and the polite. And so if someone says thank you to you, eshe o, oshe o, and you want to say you're welcome, don't mention you're welcome. You say kò tọ́pẹ́, kò tọ́pẹ́, kò tọ́pẹ́. Say with me, kò tọ́pẹ́, kò tọ́pẹ́. In the polite way you say kò tọ́pẹ́ mà, kò tọ́pẹ́ sà. Ẹ má ṣe yọnu, kò tọ́pẹ́ mà, kò tọ́pẹ́ sà, kò tọ́pẹ́ jọ̀ọ́, má ṣe yọnu, kò tọ́pẹ́. So that's it. And also you're welcome for the let's say you were coming home, or let's say you went out and then you just arrived home, and so okay, someone went out and they just arrived home, and you want to say, oh, you're welcome, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ káàbọ̀. That's the polite way. And then the casual way you say káàbọ̀, 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 ṣé dáadáa ló dé, ṣé dáadáa ló dé, a ti ń retí rẹ, káàbọ̀, káàbọ̀, you welcome, hope you arrived safely. Ṣé dáadáa ló dé, hope you arrived safely. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ dé, hope you arrived safely. And so if you want to greet people you met at a place, let's say office, home, or wherever, you want to greet them, for them to now reply you with you welcome, you can say in Yoruba, you know, you can say good afternoon, whatever, greetings, nkankan. But in Yoruba, we have a specific reason for that in Yoruba, to greet people you meet, maybe at home, while coming back from work or wherever. You want to greet people and they reply you with you welcome. You can say, the Yoruba is ẹ kú ilé, ẹ kú ilé, ẹ kú ilé, ẹ kú ilé, kú ilé, kú ilé, kú ilé, kú ilé. There's a common slang to say, what's up? What's happening? What's popping? What's popping? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? You say, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What's happening? What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's popping? What's happening? What's up? All those slangs, all those greeting slangs say the Yoruba is kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Àlàyé mi já mi sí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What's going on? What's happening? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What's up? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Or kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ma? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sir? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Naija mi sí na? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Like I said, the last one in this video, we are going to be having series of this. This episode 2 is there will be episode 3 very soon. So ensure you turn on my notifications, my video notifications, to get notified when I post new videos, and watch my other videos as well. They are all gonna be helpful for you in your Yoruba language learning journey. Okay, so the last one in this video will be I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. That way you can, both ways are correct. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín mà. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín sà. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín mà. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín sà. Ìwọ tí ò ń wo fídíò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Thank you. Do remember to subscribe to this channel. Do not go without subscribing. Like this video, comment and share. Bye bye.